I'm joined by Shweta Jain from Investography. Shweta, hi, good evening and welcome to the show. Shweta, we will take Vivek's question with you, and he says that he's from Chennai, 40 years old, employed with monthly salary and has two children. Wish to build a source of monthly passive income for them, and he plans to create a corpus over the next 30 years without withdrawing or stopping SIPs during this period. After 30 years, he intends to start SWP to provide 1 lakh every year to both of his children. And for that, he wants you to suggest a plan where obviously mutual fund can be one of the investment vehicle. And yeah, that's about it. Very interesting question. I really wish I had him on the phone line because, you know, someone thinking about having a passive monthly income, it's a very crucial part of your entire financial planning, Shweta.
Hi, Kavita. Thanks for having me. Yes, very interesting question indeed. But this is also quite unusual that somebody is not creating an income for them, but for wants for their children for whatever requirements, right? So the idea is that he gets a lakh rupees a month. Now the thing that he has to ideally clarify is that 1 lakh value now or 1 lakh then. So now, if I just assume it's now, he needs at least a crore, a corpus of 3.5 crores, sorry, a corpus of approximately 3.5 crores then, and to build which he has 30 years. So he needs to invest maybe about 15,000 rupees per month because the time is on his side. Now, where should he invest this money? He can invest this in equity, so growth oriented assets. The reason being he has 30 years of time to get to this amount. Now, when he withdraws, there'll be many other options. We won't get into that. But for now, he can invest in, say, a DSP Nifty 50, an ICICI large and mid cap, PPFAS, Flexi Cap, Motilal Oswal mid cap. So this is like a good combination for him to start off with, considering he might have some experience in investing. He isn't very young, he's older, but his time frame is also much more. So I think that's a great start for him to do.
All right, let's move on. Let's take CK Mohanty's question, and the funds I think you already have in terms of details that he's sent. And so he's got an SIP investment going on. He's got a lump sum investment also going on, and want to invest till 2030. Corpus is 1 CR, and after 2023, where should I invest to get 60 to 70,000 per month? Shweta, do you have the question?
Yeah, I'm just trying to see which schemes these are. Sorry, my bad.
Sure. Okay. I'll just read out to you. PGM India small cap, Parag Parikh flexi cap, Bandhan small cap, White Oak mid cap, Mirasit multi asset, Edelweiss focus fund, and I think he's got a JM mid cap also, and Union mutual fund, innovation fund, Nippon small cap as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I think some of the schemes that he has are quite okay. And as a combination, I think he has a focus on small and mid cap more. He can add on a passive fund. I feel that's the only thing that's missing from his portfolio. So like a DSP or a UTI Nifty 50 is something that he can add on. But otherwise, he would need approximately a lakh a month to get to his goal, so that he can have the amounts that he mentioned as the corpus is needed is 1 crore. So he would need to invest a much higher amount to get to his goal.
All right. I think with that, it's a wrap on the question answer session. Thank you so much for taking time out and helping our viewers. And for all our viewers, let me also flash our WhatsApp number and our email ID where you can send across your queries. And so that's the number. 8657974571, the moneyshow@etnow.tv. That's the email ID where you can send across your questions, and we will get your financial portfolio queries answered live by our experts.